Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about KMU-CAT second test 2025 biology MCQs quick revision part 2. Dear students, if you need MCQs for KMU-CAT test preparation, let me know in the comment section. Dear viewers, अभी तक अगर आपने मेरा YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कर लें, लाइक शेयर और कमेंट्स ज़रूर कर लें। अगर आप KMU-CAT टेस्ट के लिए तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। इस वीडियो को आखिर तक ज़रूर देखें। शुक्रिया। Number of amino acids present in plant, animals and microbial proteins. Option A 20, B 80, C 150 and option D 200. So the correct option is A 20. Explanation is all living things use the same 20 standard amino acids for protein synthesis. A coagulated protein is dash. Option A insoluble, B biologically non-functional, C unfolded and option D all of the above. So the correct option is D all of the above. Coagulated proteins are insoluble, unfolded and non-functional. For example, boiled egg white. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So this is very important MCQs. The movement of charged particles toward one of the electrode under the influence of electrical current is option A gel filtration, B molecular sieving, C gel gas liquid chromatography and option D electrophoresis. So the correct option is D electrophoresis. This defines the principle of gel electrophoresis. The sulfur containing amino acid is option A homoserine, B serine, C methionine and option D valine. So the correct option is C methionine. Methionine contains a sulfur atom in its side chain. So this is very important MCQs. In the total proteins, the percentage of albumin is about option A 20 to 40, B 30 to 45, C 50 to 70 and option D 80 to 90. So the correct option is C 50 to 70. Albumin makes up 50 to 70% of total plasma proteins and is crucial for maintaining osmotic pressure. What is the bond in proteins that is not broken under usual conditions of denaturation? Option A hydrophobic bond, B hydrogen bond, C disulfide bond and option D peptide bond. So the correct option is D peptide bond. Explanation is peptide bonds require enzymatic or acid-base hydrolysis to break down. At the isoelectric pH, an amino acid exists is option A anion, option B cation and option C zwitterion and option D none of these. So the correct option is C zwitterion. At the isoelectric point, amino acid exists is zwitterion. Net charge is 0. Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Ali Technologist. So dear students, this is very important MCQs. Which of the following is the primary structure involved in the filtration of blood in the kidney? Option A renal tubule, B glomerulus, C. Loop of Henle, and option D. ureter. So the correct option is B. Glomerulus. The glomerulus is a network of capillaries located in the nephron. It is responsible for filtering blood to form initial filtrate urine, which will later be processed in the renal tubules. The basic amino acids are option A. lysine, B. bile, C. glycine, and option D. alanine. So the correct option is A. lysine. Lysine is a basic amino acid positively charged at physiological pH. So this is very important MCQs. A protein rich in cysteine is option A. collagen, B. keratin, C. hemoglobin, and option D. gelatin. So the correct option is B. keratin. Keratin is found in hair nails, is rich in cysteine disulfide bond for strength. The major site of urea synthesis is option A. brain, B. kidney, C. liver, and option D. muscle. So the correct option is C. liver. The urea cycle occurs primarily in the liver, which convert toxic ammonia into the urea for excretion by the kidneys. Dear viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें. शुक्रिया. So this is very important MCQs. The minimum number of polypeptide chain in an immunoglobulin is option A. 2, B. 4, option C. 5, and option D. 6. So the correct option is B. 4. All immunoglobulin contain at least 4 polypeptide chain, 2 identical heavy chain and 2 identical light chains. Thank you for watching my videos.